Stuck with a Jira issue in the wrong project? No built-in move button? I'll show you the exact steps to move it safely in under 2 minutes. Here's what we're going to do. First, open your Jira account and navigate to the project containing the issue. Then, we'll locate the Move option hidden in the menu. Let's start with the first step. Open your Jira account. Just head over to your Jira instance and log in. You know the drill. Your company's URL, your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is home base, and from here, we're going to grab that issue that's in the wrong place. Next, open your Jira project from the left side panel. Look at that vertical menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of your recent projects, or you can click on Projects to browse. Go ahead and click on the project that currently holds the issue you need to move. This opens up the project view, and you'll see the backlog or the active board, depending on how your team works. Now, click on the specific task you want to move. Find it in the list. It might be on the board or in the backlog view. Just click on that issue title. This opens the full detail view of the issue. You'll see all the information, the description, the comments, the status, everything. This is where we need to be, because the Move option lives inside this view. Look for the 3 dots at the top right of the issue view. Right up there in the top right corner of the issue detail, next to the status and the assignee, you'll see a button with 3 little dots. It's easy to miss because it blends in with the interface. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with a bunch of actions you can take on this issue. Things like log work, link issues, and the one we're after. From the drop-down, click Move. It should be somewhere in that list. If you don't see it, don't panic. It just means you might not have the right permissions. In most standard Jira setups, if you have edit access to the issue, you'll see it. Click on Move, and a new window or panel will slide open. This is the Move Issue Wizard. It's going to walk you through a few steps to make sure everything transfers correctly. In the To section, select the project you want to move the issue to. This is the big one. You'll see a drop-down or a project picker. Start typing the name of the destination project. It will autocomplete. Make sure you pick the right one. And here's the really important part. I've tested this, and your data stays intact. The issue key itself will probably change to match the new project's naming convention, but all the fields, the comments, the attachments, they all come with it. So don't worry about losing anything. Click Next to proceed. This first Next takes you to the status mapping screen. Jira asks you what status the issue should have in the new project. If the new project uses a different workflow, you might need to pick a status that makes sense. For example, if the issue was in progress, but the new project doesn't have that status, you'll see a dropdown. Pick something close. Usually To Do or Open is a safe bet. Click Next again to continue. This brings you to the field mapping screen. Jira checks if there are any required fields in the destination project that aren't filled. If there are, you'll see them here. Just fill in the gaps. For instance, if the new project requires a specific component or a custom field, you'll need to set that. It's straightforward. Jira tells you exactly what's missing. Click Next once more. This is the summary screen. You'll see a recap of everything you've chosen. The destination project, the new status, any field changes. Take a quick look to make sure it's all correct. This is your last chance to back out before the move happens. Finally, click Confirm to complete the move. Jira processes the request. Depending on the size of the issue and how many attachments or linked issues it has, this might take a moment to process. But in my experience, for a standard issue, it's nearly instant. Once it's done, you'll be redirected to the issue in its new home. You'll see the new issue key, the new project name, and all your data right where you left it. And that's it. You've successfully moved your issue from one project to another. No data lost, no panic, no searching for a non-existent button. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any other Jira roadblocks, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help.